Hi dear students, welcome you all to another session of Brainiac's Doubt Clearance. So we have a good question in front of you. I hope you could see the question. I will just read the question. If the relative decrease in vapor pressure is zero point 0.4 for a solution containing 1 mole of sodium chloride in 3 mole of water, NaCl is dash percentage ionized. So this is the question. So we know that they are speaking about the relative decrease or the relative lowering of vapor pressure. So we have the formula that is P0, correct, minus Ps divided by P0 is equal to I will come into picture. Why? Because the solute here is an electrolyte, NaCl. So N by N plus N, correct? So here P0 indicates what? Vapor pressure of pure solvent, correct? Pure solvent. Now what is Ps indicating? Ps indicates what? Vapor pressure of the solution, correct? Now similarly, what is I actually? Van Hoff factor. Van Hoff factor, correct? Now what is small n indicates? Small n indicates the number of moles of solute, and capital N indicates what? The number of moles of solvent. Fine. Now I told you why I have introduced I, because the solute used is an electrolyte, so it will undergo dissociation, correct? So we will see here. So it's ionized means it can be association or dissociation. So in this case it is dissociation because sodium chloride will dissociate. Now the relative lowering of vapor pressure, this whole factor is given as how much actually? In the question they have given that value as 0.4. I we don't know, and number of moles of the solute they have given as 1, and number of moles of the solvent is given as 3. So we can calculate I value. So 0.4 is equal to I into 1 by 4. So I is equal to 4 into 0.4, and that is nothing but 1.6. Now we need to calculate alpha, which is the degree of association or dissociation. So in the case of dissociation, we have the standard formula I is equal to 1 minus alpha plus n alpha. Remember? So here alpha indicates what? Degree of dissociation. This is what they are asking you. Okay. Now what is n indicates? N indicates the number of particles, correct, after dissociation. After dissociation. Okay. Now let's see how NaCl dissociates. So NaCl on dissociation will give you Na plus and Cl minus. Now tell me how many particles are there? Here one Na plus is there and here one Cl minus is there. So N is equal to 2. Now I value we already found it out, that is 1.6. So 1.6 is equal to 1 minus alpha plus 2 alpha. So I can calculate the alpha value here. So 1.6 is equal to, I can say 1 plus alpha. So alpha is what actually? 1.6 minus 1, which is equal to 0.6. Now they are asking you the percentage. So what should be done? Alpha into 100 will give you the percentage. That is 0.6 into 100. That is 60 percentage it has underwent dissociation or ionized. So we'll see the options whether present or not. Yeah, option A corresponds to that. So A is my answer. So I hope you understood the question. So if you have any doubts, you can get back to Brainiac's classes. And if you need more theory sessions, more questions, any support for NEET, you can contact Brainiac's classes. Thank you.